Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Magallanes, and today I'm going to teach you how to upload an educational video onto your YouTube channel. The first thing you're going to want to do is go onto your web browser. Once you have your web browser open, you can go onto youtube.com and sign in using your Google Gmail. In my case, my Google account is always logged on to my computer, so I'm going to actually skip the sign-in process. But once you've done it, you'll see that you have a couple different options here in terms of how you can navigate this space. YouTube usually recommends videos depending on your viewing habits. You can also look at your home, you can look at trending, you can look at YouTube channels that you have subscribed to, as well as your history, videos you may have purchased. But in this case, we're going to focus on uploading a video. Now, the way that you upload a video is you go up here to the upper right hand corner where you see this little video camera with a plus sign in it. If you hover your mouse over it, it should say create a video or post. Once you've done this, you can go to upload a video. Now, what this will do is it'll give you the opportunity to customize the video that you're about to upload before you actually choose the file. One of the first options you can do is choose whether you want this to be public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. These are pretty self-explanatory, but for most cases you're going to want to make your videos public so that others may view it. Once you've decided the type of video you want to have, you just select files to upload. And in my case, I'm going to upload a video I've already uploaded before, but for the sake of this, I'm going to upload it again to my channel. And it's on Walrus Evolution. In this case, I've used an MP4 format in order to upload it easily. Once you've clicked the file, you click open, and it'll bring you to this web page. Now, while it is uploading, you'll see that you can check the progress of the upload. It usually gives you an estimated time as to how long it will take. But while you're waiting, you can actually already begin to describe the type of video and customize the way that others will view it. The first thing we can do is change the title. So in this case, I named the video Walrus Evolution, but I want to be a little more specific. So I'm going to go ahead and say Fossil Walrus Evolution. And then you can also choose a description of your video. That way people can actually know what it is beyond just the title. So I will put a general description, Fossil Walrus Evolution through time. Once you finish your description, you can actually also choose tags. These are things that people can look up, keywords, phrases that'll highlight your video. So I want to put in science. Once you've finished a tag, you can just push enter and it'll show it. Also, I'll choose marine mammals, walruses, and the singular walrus. You can also choose whether you want this video translated. So for original language, I can select English. I can choose whether I want to have it in Spanish or any other type of language that you might choose to. You can also go to advanced settings and decide whether you want to allow comments, whether you want to allow your viewers to be able to write little comments that show up on the video as well. You can allow people to embed, enable age restrictions, change the category. In my case, I want to make sure that it's science and technology since it is an instructional video on the evolution of fossil walruses. And once you've finished these steps, all you have to really do is just wait for it to upload. Once the video is finished processing, you can then go onto your own YouTube channel and view the video that you have now uploaded.
Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about a group of animals you may know.
Once the video is uploaded, you can then choose to share your video, and you can do this across multiple different types of social media. You can share it personally through email, or you can simply copy the email address